Hey everyone, we're going to actually review a product today that I've had for a few years now. And I love this product, but I've never reviewed on it. So the product will actually be a couple years old, but it's something I use camping when I'm motorcycle camping in my SUV. And the product is this right here. GSI Outdoors cooking pan, pots, and cups. So this is a really cool product. As you can see, it's called GSI Outdoors. And we got this off of Amazon. So this is what it looks like. And it's a great product because it's an all-in-one cooking thing, especially for one or two people when you're camping. Great little camping outfit. So let me just take it apart. It comes with this nice cinch buckle on top. And then you can just loosen a little. Again, this product's been being used for around 5-6 years, so it is used. But I wanted to do a review because it's such a great product. The first thing that comes off is your fry pan. It comes with two lids, so you got one lid here and another lid right there. Set that off to the side, and it comes with another lid. Nice little pull tabs on the lids, and the insides are just plastic, a hard plastic with the rubber gasket around them. But inside, this is what you see when you open it up. And these are 4 cups, 4 insulated thermos cups. So they come with a lid and a drinking port right there. And you take the lid off, set that aside, and you can actually take the cup out and use it as a regular drinking cup. And this is a little thermal insulation sleeve that can be taken off also. But then you can also use this one as a cup or a mixing bowl. We've used these to like stir little bits of sauces or other things you need to put in. Then those slip in there, and you can use this as a drinking cup in the morning as a thermal cup. Now I will say this, it doesn't keep thermally, it's definitely not a Yeti or anything like that. Like it's functional, and it'll keep it a little bit warmer than a normal like coffee cup, ceramic cup, but it does work. So you get 4 of those, 4 different colors. Set those off to the side, and they fit perfectly in there. So we've set those off to the side here, and what you'll find inside of that is a cooking pan, like a saucepan, a smaller one. And that goes with that lid, as you can see there. And inside of that, you can have plates. So the 4 color matching plates, and these are just cheap plastic plates. Again, these are perfect for if there's like 2 of you only camping, or 1 person, and you need a couple plates. So you get 4 individual plates. And inside of that is another pan. And this one we don't use a lot, but it's just another pan, and so it fits the larger lid. And so you can see the difference of the 2 saucepans or boiling pan for like pasta or something. And then they go back inside the little case here. Out of the way, these cups also, you can store things inside. So I believe it comes with one of these. These are the handles for the pots and the pans. So this just clips into there. I can't remember if this GSI handle comes with this, or if you have to buy this separately. But I know we have 2 of those, and that comes apart like this. And that goes right in there for storage. Now another thing that I store in here is this, which a lot of you have, which is the little burner for the individual stoves a lot of us own. And that way I can use this to cook everything on here. So basically this is a kind of a self-sustained storage unit for everything I need except for the gas. So in fact, this little thing always just gets carried in there. So that's the self-containment of this whole system. And let's put it back together. So the original pan's already in here, and you put the 4 plates in the bottom of that. The second smaller pan goes in there like that. 4 cups drop in there. And then this one fits right over those cups and keeps them secure. And then this lid, it's right on top of that. Keeps it all secure. And the final thing is the fry pan. I'll be doing another review of another video you can find here. I'll link it here, where I actually cook in this with the Jackery. You can see the Jackery out here in the corner. I'm going to use the Jackery and cook on this because another person asked about trying to cook on this. But all told, that's how that goes together, and you simply put this through there. And there you go, with the exception of, we have some plastic forks that go in here too, but we kind of change those out every year or two. You can store little forks and spoons in here. And the only other thing you need to cook with is the gas canister. But the little burner stove in there for 1 person or 2 if you're just eating something right before you go to sleep. This little self-contained unit from GSI is now 5 years old, and as you can see, it's gone on numerous camping trips up here, and it works great. I would highly recommend this thing. So that's the review of the GSI, and it's a cool product, and I definitely can recommend it. So if you want to pick one of these up when you're camping solo, I definitely highly recommend it. Pick it up on Amazon, and it's a great little product, and I always have it with me when I'm motorcycle camping or just when I'm out and about by myself. Great product. See you later. Check out my other reviews of the Jackery, and when I cook on this, I'm going to be cooking on this, and I'll be cooking on this, the YK105, which is a little burner top stove on the Jackery.